Well, pickup trucks and four-wheel drives have been my thing since '99, when Tim McGraw was all we ever sang. Long tan legs and Daisy Dukes, them cut-off shirts and dirt on boots. No matter where I'm at, it's still my thing. I've been back and forth from here to Georgia, Carolina to California, across the hills of Middle Tennessee. I've been mountain high in Colorado, seen some things, but one thing I know: no one loves the country more than me. Drive a dirt road over paved, I'll slow it down, I like the pace. That simple life, just simply hard to beat. Yep, and I love them open acre fields of gold, that paradise that I call home. My party here, no better place to be. That's right. I've been back and forth from here to Georgia, Carolina to California, across the hills of Middle Tennessee. I've been mountain high in Colorado, seen some things, but one thing I know: no one loves the country more than me. I said no one, I mean no one. No, no one loves the country more than me. I said no one, I mean no one. No, no one loves the country more than me. I've been back and forth from here to Georgia, Carolina to California, across the hills of Middle Tennessee. I've been mountain high in Colorado, seen some things, but one thing I know: no one loves the country more than me. I've been back and forth from here to Georgia, Carolina to California, no one loves the country more than me. I said no one loves the country more than me.